Gold hit the highs at 2450 and reversed. And since yesterday, it is showing good swings in between 2405, 10 to 2440, 50 zone. And why 2440 and 50 is a greater resistance zone, I have mentioned in my weekly review and I have shared in my daily review as well. I hope you all profited. Now, this is a first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation and support. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Look at gold on the hourly charts. You can find out. See, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. See, it has come towards 50 period, then lower highs, then this sharp drop. So yes, it is trying to trade this. Draw a parallel here, draw a channel here. You will find that the lows can be a little far below from here, where 2400 2398 is going to be the first resistance zone, and on the upside 2430 35 levels should come into picture, or rather I will say 2440 should be the level beyond which you can confirm that it is reversing, else it is still not to be confirmed as reversed or not to be confirmed bullish. See, bearishness is getting diminished with every candle here. We are going to wait where this candle closes and how the next candle starts. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold. The MACD is also traded with divergence. It is staying bearish here. It is looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. That is again signs of bearishness. On the 2-hour charts also, if you look at, see, on the 2-hour charts, one must notice the drop was sharp, taken the support, then the retracement. Now see, the highs are beautifully connected here. It has formed lower highs and then again this drop. Now where this current candle closes and how the next one starts, that is going to be of prime importance to us, because see, if the body size is small, the movement is getting diminished, suggests that there are greater supports here on the downside. So now we have to wait for gold to break below 2405 level. 2404 levels, which are going to be great support. And once gold drops below 240405 levels, you can expect 2400 2398 as the first target level, and below 2398 is where the bears will be active, where we can look forward to 2390 2386 zone as the next target, and below which further bearishness may prevail. Yes, but I do see that it is forming a nice flag. After this rise, it is forming nice flag. It might try to trade in this zone before giving a break. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. RSI has dropped. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts here, too much of divergence from the 20 period moving average, hitting the 20 period moving average. We have seen it retracing. Now see, it has got its resistance intact. We can see this a strong reversal is observed, and again it has come to take the support. Now this is the second bearish candle in succession. We can expect a third one as well, where prices might try to trade or trade lower. Yes, it is, as long as this base is not broken, we should not be treating gold as bearish. We have to wait for 2370 levels to be taken in order to confirm the drop or reversal here. Right now I can see that it is trying to form a nice flag formation before giving a breakout. Stochastic dropping here. MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, and this is coming from a bit of higher level. So yes, it can. But if you look at the waves here are still on a bullish note, and as long as it respects this, we cannot expect that it is turned bearish. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone, coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts, you can see this too much of divergence again coming to take the support, and see what has happened since last few moves here. Here also I have mentioned too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Now it is very simple. We have to wait for 240405 levels in order to break or trade further bearish. Else I am not saying the charts are speaking on its own. See how beautifully it is taking the support here from the 20 period moving average, and last few candles or last few moves we have seen how important these supports are. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropping sharp. The MACD has crossed over here, and this is just one candle away, and this also indicates that we have a little bit of downside available here in gold. See, first candle. So I do not expect this to happen. I can expect that there should be a little further down move. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily charts, if you look at, see, yesterday's candle was a swing candle. Today what has happened, it has already achieved higher lows, and it can reverse as well. These are markets, these are beautifully positioned to fool you out. Right now it is looking downwards. It has not formed a significant down move from yesterday. Also it is reversed. Now today, only bearishness in gold is if it drops further below 2400. Now before we look into further details, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting soon. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. Yes, I am going to share with you all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can trade profitably and comfortably. Else, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with global presence, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, most worrisome point is when the spreads are higher, your accounts get killed, specifically by trading gold, where you get the half a cent, half a dollar spread. That is, and in fact, some are offering $0.7 or 70 cent spreads as well. But the broker I am recommending here is offering you a 20 cents spread, 22 cents spread if you join through the link, and thus you can save much of your capital. In every trade, if you're saving 25 cents, I think nothing better than this. And yes, there are no hidden charges as well. So do join this. Now look at daily charts. Why I am saying that it can still show you things. See, I do see that it can possibly trade in this flag formation where it can try to create lower highs, lower lows. And that is why I say 2400, 2397, 98 zone on the downside, 2440 levels on the upside. This zone is where gold might try to show you the swing today, and thus you should be trading with caution. It can be a swingful day. Next is too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period. Now we have seen on the daily, on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour time frames, that whenever it diverges, chances for a conversion increases. So possibility here exists that it can show you a sharp dip, and thus once it drops below 2397, 2400 zone, we can look forward to 2380 levels, first support levels, 2371.5 the next, and then this zone is going to come, which is going to remain a great support. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone. MACD is in green. It is trying to convert, though it is still bullish. RSI is near to top. So looking at, see, first of all, gold is definitely volatile. Thus, we have to be specifically trading with caution today, and you have to strictly put a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. So, looking at the conditions now, I will recommend you to buy at 2418 levels. You can expect 2422 first target, 242830 the next target. And once it stays beyond 2438, 2830, we can say that there could be increasing bullishness where the prices might try to move towards 2436, 2441, and then 2448 levels. I am again not looking at gold to break beyond 2450. Even if it tries to trade bullish, it can try to deliver lower highs. So if you, and thus also remember, it can show you greater swings, also achieving the highs, it can reverse. So yes, you can buy here at 2418. You have to be cautious as long as 2430, 2441 levels are not taken. On the upside, I will say rather 24, 48, 50 levels are not taken. You have to be trading with the stop loss, because the swings today in the metals, since yesterday rather, I will say, is amazing, and thus it should not kill your account and profits. On the downside, a selling and in gold, now I'll recommend is at 240405 levels. 2404, 2405 is a good resistance. Below this, you can expect it to move towards 2400, 2397 zone, first support levels, 2391, 2390 the next, then 2382.5, 2384 the third one, and then 2371.5, 72 the fourth one, below which it will definitely trade further bearish. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships for the support. See you again in few hours from now before the US session. Do not miss to watch that update as well. Do like before leaving this video. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.